how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions video. So today what we have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Moto G Power. This one is a phone that I picked up from Straight Talk. So let's go ahead and unbox it now. Wait a minute. Pause. Everybody's seen these type of prepaid smartphone unboxings. Yo, let me just pause the video real quick, unbox this, and we'll come back and get into the first impressions. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta cut to the chase. So here it is. Here's the device all unboxed. And man, I gotta tell y'all, these Moto devices are some of my absolute favorite devices, man. So here it is. Now I have the screenshots of everything that came in the box, so y'all could check that out. But it was pretty much your standard affair. You got your SIM removal tool, you got your USB-A to USB-C charging cable, you got your turbo power charging brick, you got the device, and you got all of your booklets. Now, it didn't come with the traditional Motorola box because this was a prepaid device that I picked up from Straight Talk. So it came in the Straight Talk box with all of the Straight Talk booklets, activation cards, so on and so forth. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Everybody has seen a bunch of that by now. And I didn't want to show it to y'all again. So I just figured we'd just get straight to the device. So, as is usual with my style of unboxings and first impressions, all I did was fully charge the device, drop my SIM card in, run through the setup real quick, skip everything essentially, kill all the auto updates, make sure the LTE and the text messaging and MMS was working, and then we push record on this video, man. So, real quickly, let's just go ahead and do a real quick walk around of the device real quick. And then we're going to go ahead and get into the overall first impressions here. So let's just get into this real quick. We're not even going to waste no time. Uh-oh. Phone ringing. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I do apologize. I would end this, but I'm waiting on an important phone call. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, I do apologize, everyone. Phone call's done. No more interruptions. Let's get into this. So let's quickly walk around the device. Let's go over some basic specifications and then get into my first impression. So starting off on the back, we have a triple camera setup right here. So we got a 16 megapixel primary rear facing camera, we got an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and then we got a 2 megapixel depth sensor with our LED flash. All right, then we got a always active capacitive fingerprint sensor right here embedded in the Motorola logo. And as I said, this was a Straight Talk device. That's a subsidiary of TracFone, so that's why you see that TracFone tramp stamp right there. Sorry, there's nothing I could do about that. This was available for a really great deal, and I couldn't pass it up. Flipping it to the bottom, we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Happy to see that bad boy is back. I like that. We got the USB Type-C charging port and one of our bottom front of our speakers here. We do have a dual speaker setup, but it's one front-facing speaker and one bottom-firing speaker. And then we got our microphone here, right here. All right. Then, flipping it to the front, we got our display. This is a 6.4 inch 1080p display with a punch hole cutout for the cameras. Alright, so y'all gonna get to see that in a second. And we do have an 8 megapixel front facing camera, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, now I'll go ahead and correct myself if I make any mistakes in post. But yeah. And in terms of the internals, we are rocking the Snapdragon 665. I think it's an octa-core chipset on this. You know what? This is first impressions, so if I make any mistakes, I'll be sure to correct myself in the full review. But this is, I believe this is the 665 octa-core chipset. And the Adreno that goes along with that, I think that's the 605. No, that's the 610. Yes. Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor with the Adreno 610 GPU on board here. And now in terms of the RAM and the storage, this comes in one configuration, 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of onboard storage with micro SD card expansion. So really good stuff. And, you know, as with pretty much all Motorola devices nowadays, you can make that micro SD card adaptable, expandable storage. So really happy to see that there. Okay, so that pretty much covers the brief walk around. Now let's get into the device. And basically, as I've said, all I did was set it up, come out to the home screen, and then push record on the video. Now I did switch to a black wallpaper. I love me some black wallpapers. Whether we have an OLED display, an AMOLED display, an IPS LCD display or not, I love me some black wallpapers, man. Don't judge. Now this is an IPS LCD display, so this black wallpaper is not doing anything to conserve power, but I just like dark colors. Don't judge. Alright, so that's it. Now getting into the first impressions with this device, I literally have done nothing. You see, it's not even connected to my Google account. Okay, and you can see if I hit the Play Store here, it's telling me you need to sign in. So I've literally done nothing. Just because I know everybody likes to see the available storage and the apps that come on devices by default. So here it is. So we have the My Sites application. I don't know what that is. We got Facebook, we got Google Duo, the Play Store, and the rest of the Google applications right there, including YouTube Music. Alright, swiping up. What else do we have? Device Pulse. I'm not sure what that is. That's the My Sites application again. Moto Audio. And I do believe that's it. Everything else that's on here is standard. Yep. FM radio, Moto application. Yeah, that's it. Play movies, Play Store, Moto notifications. Yep. So your only bloatware applications are Facebook, because some people don't use Facebook. Pulse, I don't know what Pulse is. And My Sites, I don't know what that is either. And you know, I was very surprised that the My Straight Talk application didn't come pre-installed on here, because as I said, I picked this up from straighttalk.com. So I was expecting it to come preloaded with the My Straight Talk application, but it didn't. Alright, so yeah, those are all the apps that come on the device by default. Okay, and now let's go ahead and check the available storage. And as you can see, it's still prompting me to sign into my Play Store application, sign into my Google account so it can finish updating the apps. Because I've literally done nothing. It's asking me to check out the new gestures and then saying you need to finish signing in so we can finish updating the applications. So you can see it wants me to do stuff, but for you guys, I paused all that. So jumping into the settings here, and we can go down to the storage, and you can see out of the box with nothing installed, it's using up 23% of the available storage. So 14.43 gigabytes out of 64 gigabytes, and you can see I have absolutely nothing on the device. Okay, just so y'all can see that available storage right there. Alright, now, so first impressions, because I've literally played around with it for a few minutes. I like this, man. I think this is gonna be good. Now, I'm a big fan of Motorola devices, and it's a very similar experience to me. So I like the gestures. So we got the chop chop for the cameras, twist twist for the chop chop for the flashlight, twist twist for the cameras, so on and so forth. I'm a big fan of those gestures. So I think this is gonna be really good. And honestly, y'all, I can't wait to start testing this one out. I've been missing a very battery beast device, because I feel like I love my Pixel to death, man. I do. The Pixel cameras are awesome. I love the software, but the damn battery life on this device, that's right, I said it, the damn battery life on this device, wow, that rhymed, is, it's not good, man. It's not good at all. But I love this device, but that dang battery life, man. So we had to go ahead and pick up something else. And in particular, I was able to pick this up from Straight Talk on their payment program. If I could talk, sorry y'all. And this is going to cost me full retail. The device is $179.99, so $180. But because I'm a Straight Talk customer, I can get this on a 24-month payment program, and I'm paying $8.09 a month. Now I can always pay that off faster or let that go as normal, and I think I might just let that go as normal. This way I can do an extended look at this device. So the full review is going to be in 1 month. Might do a couple follow-up videos 3 months later, 6 months later, so on and so forth, all throughout the whole time that I have to pay off this device. And y'all know I'm going to be picking up some cases and a screen protector as well, because you know your boy can't rock nothing naked. That's not how we roll, especially because I'm Mr. Super Clumsy. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this one, y'all. So this was my very quick pseudo unboxing, you could say, and first impressions of the Motorola Moto G Power. And essentially, if y'all didn't know, this Motorola Moto G Power is internationally known as the Moto G8 Power. It's just over here in the States, they called it the Moto G Power. Alright, so everything that we're going to talk about for the Moto G Power, same rules apply for the Moto G8 Power as well. Alright, that's just the international version of this device. And the international version of this device is GSM unlocked. Whereas once I'm done using this device and pay it off on Straight Talk, I do believe it will be globally unlocked at that point. Alright, but for now, it's locked specifically to Straight Talk, and specifically with my SIM, so that makes it a Verizon exclusive device, because my particular SIM from Straight Talk is on Verizon. So yeah, alright, we don't want to make this video much longer than this. That being said, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I hope y'all found it helpful. The brief information that I did go over, I hope you found it helpful. If you did enjoy the video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using external audio, so we are using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone to record all the audio for this video. So as usual, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Alright, your feedback as always is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone has a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch y'all in the next video. We are out of here. Peace.